Hello, Becky. I hope this video finds you doing well. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to watch this video. I do speak quickly, but the advantage of the video is you can play it back as many times as you want to make sure that I'm actually speaking English and hopefully at least part of my sentences make sense. Hey, I wanted to quickly go through your website with you to show you what I've started. We can change stuff whenever you want, but let me just kind of dive right in, and I'm going to show you the way that it looks for people who are not logged into the site. Here we've got an area that's called the header area, which is this area right here. It includes your navigation bar, which is here, your search bar, and obviously the title and your menu. You start getting into here, and this is considered the content or the body. You notice that your header shrinks some, and we have it sticky so that it stays visible all the time. And then we got this area here is called the body, or basically it's called the content area. This is actually the page itself. And right now it has these products that are listed uh, through a shopping cart. And then as I scroll down further, this area here starts getting into the footer area, and this stays stable. So the header stays stable, the footer stays stable, and then the content area is what will be changing. This area down here, I'm going to probably delete this. I don't know that you're doing that much on social media at this time. We can drop in a Facebook link somewhere else, but this whole area, I'm probably just going to knock out this row. And then down here, this row, which has these four columns, I'm actually going to, take this and actually move it down to right here after the green area. And these particular columns, I thought what I would do, again, it's your website, but my thought was to have the very large list of categories and subcategories listed here in the four columns, and then the hyperlink to the different subcategory pages or category pages. Anyway, it'll make more sense when I show you. But what I wanted to show you here, this is what it looks like to humans who are not logged in. What I wanted to show you is go to when you are logged in. You can see now I'm still at your site, but I've got my dashboard going across the top here. Actually, this is my shortcuts going across the top. And if I click here, my dashboard will actually show up here in a second. Still loading this page here. I've got too many tabs open, as you can see. And so when you log into your website, or your assistant does, typically, again, I could set this up differently, but right now it'll look something similar to this, where that you've got your dashboard going down the left side. Don't be overwhelmed. Most of this you'll have nothing to do with. I'll quickly run through, but you'll have nothing to do with almost most of these. And these are shortcuts. Again, you won't have anything to do with most of these, but all of the shortcuts can be found underneath some of the different flyouts, the different menus. It just makes it easier to get to them quickly here. So it's not that there's that many more, it's just that it's more convenient. What I wanted to quickly show you is that what you and your new employee will be mainly working with, what I've been working with, primarily at this time, are messing with products and adding products. And actually, where I've kind of spent a lot of time right now so far is getting the categories set up. So if I went here to products and went to categories, I'll just show you kind of what I've been doing. This will take a second to load. You have to be patient. There's a lot of data, depends on the internet, that type of stuff. And these are, what I did is I set up your theme, and then I found a child theme that was for a furniture store, and then I installed WooCommerce, which is the shopping cart. So some of the stuff was defaulting, and that's why you'll see like clothing and hoodies, and some of these are from the child theme that was the setup files. And we can quickly delete these. I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to have more stuff to show you that's actually there. And then I've started to add some of the different categories and subcategories. You can see there's a line underneath this. So a stool is a subcategory of a chair. It won't all be listed in order, but there'll be other things like that, whereas a computer table will be a subcategory of a table, and tables are on the next page. So that's just to show you one example. Now, will you be doing much with this? No, once we get this set up, these will be just clicks that your new employee or you will be clicking on to say this is a table, this is a living room, this is furniture, I'll show you how to do that in a little bit later date. But the other thing I wanted to show you quickly here was that the pages themselves are listed here. So these are the pages that I've started to build. You don't have too many more to add, but living room furniture, outdoor furniture, the account, if we want to have that set up, clearance furniture, seating, there'll be all the chairs and sofas, that type of stuff. Obviously, you knew that. Dining furniture. So you can read these for yourself. And this is how we'll actually end up getting to do some of the editing. The other thing I guess I wanted to show you, probably, I'll set up your phone number so it'll be on when people search on their phone, they'll be able to quickly click on a button and get reach your office or your store right away. And I think for right now, that's it. I don't want to overwhelm you. Just want to kind of show you. So again, if I click back here, this will take me back to the front side of the website. And then if I click here, this will take me to the dashboard area of the website. And I haven't given you a username to log in or anything like that, but that'll come a little later. So anyway, hope this helped, and hope you like what you see so far. It's resed.com. I think you already saw that earlier. Don't think I mentioned that to you. Resed.com. I'll send it to you. And this is what the humans actually see from the front side. Anyway, we'll talk soon. Thanks so much for watching this, Becky, and take care. Bye-bye.